Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, we're going to draw and color cute wild animals for kids using simple shapes. Step 1. Drawing a crocodile. I start with a square to make the crocodile's face. Then, I add his mouth and his sharp teeth. Let's draw his cheeks and his nose. Now, I'll draw his hands. Look, his hands are holding an Apple phone. Next to the crocodile, let's draw a giraffe. Step 1. Start with a square for the head. Then, draw 2 big circles for the giraffe's eyes. Add his nose and a smiling mouth. Now, let's draw his 2 ears, his horns, and his long neck. Did you know? Giraffes use their long necks to eat fruits and leaves from high places. Next, let's draw a tiger. Step 1. Start with a square for the face, then draw his ears and his big eyes. Add a big mouth with a long tongue. Now, I'll draw his 4 legs and his tail. Fun fact. Do you know what sound a tiger makes? Yes, it roars guru. Now, I'll use a black marker to make the drawings more visible. Let's start coloring. For the crocodile, I use pink, green, and gray. For the giraffe, I color with yellow, orange, pink, and cream. For the tiger, I use orange, light brown, and pink for his mouth. Next, I'll show you how to draw a cute lion. Let's begin. First, I draw the lion's cute eyes. Then, his little nose and his smiling mouth. I'll add his 2 ears. Now, I'll draw his mane like this. It's big and fluffy. Finally, I draw his body with 4 legs. The lion is sitting. Don't forget his tail. Let's color the lion. I use red for his mouth and pink for small parts. His ears and face are orange, along with his body. For the mane and tail, I'll use brown. use cream to color the belly and lighter parts.
Now, let's draw a cute rabbit holding a giant carrot. Start with the rabbit's face, drawing her eyes and little nose. On her head, I'll add a lovely bow. Next, draw her two arms. She's holding a giant carrot. I'll continue with her two long ears and her legs. Finally, I'll draw the tree stump she's standing on. Let's color the rabbit. Use pink for her ears and cheeks. The hearts are colored red. For the carrot, I'll use orange and green for the leaves. The tree stump will be light brown and brown with some green grass. For the bow, I'll use light purple. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!